Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield was a brand name under which the Enfield Cycle Company Limited of Redditch, Worcestershire, sold motorcycles, bicycles, lawnmowers and stationary engines, which they had manufactured. Enfield Cycle Company also used the brand name Enfield without Royal. The first Royal Enfield motorcycle was built in 1901. The Enfield Cycle Company is responsible for the design and original production of the Royal Enfield Bullet, the longest-lived motorcycle design in history. George Townsend set up a business in 1851 in Redditch, making sewing needles. In 1882, his son, also named George, started making components for cycle manufacturers including saddles and forks. By 1886, complete bicycles were being sold under the names Townsend and Ecossais. This business suffered a financial collapse in 1891. Albert Eadie and Robert Walker Smith were chosen by Townsend's bankers to run the business. Then, in 1892, the firm was reincorporated and named Eadie Manufacturing Company Limited. Later, in 1907, after serious losses from their newly floated Enfield autocar business, Eadie Manufacturing and its pedal cycle component business was absorbed by Birmingham Small Arms Company, BSA. Eadie still retained a separate identity when Raleigh bought BSA's cycle interests in 1957. Royal Enfield produced bicycles at its Redditch factory until it closed in early 1967. Enfield of India continued producing the Bullet and began branding its motorcycles Royal Enfield in 1999. A lawsuit over the use of Royal, brought by trademark owner David Holder, was judged in favor of Enfield of India, who now produce motorcycles under the Royal Enfield name. The models produced and marketed in India include cafe racers, cruisers, retros, and adventure touriers. From 1955 to 1959, Royal Enfields were painted red and marketed in the U.S. as Indian motorcycles by the Brockhouse Corporation, who had control of the Indian Sales Corporation, and therefore Indian Motorcycles, and had stopped manufacturing all American Indians in the Springfield factory in 1953. But Americans were not impressed by the badge engineering, and the marketing agreement ended in 1960, and from 1961, Royal Enfields were available in the U.S. under their own name. The largest Enfield Indian was a 700 cubic centimeters twin named the Chief, like its American predecessors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Footprints for more videos.